Ladies, do you see how I slayed this grandma wig? Do you see? Do you see Auntie on the right? Yeah, okay. Keep watching. Keep watching. Hi and welcome to my channel. This is Lexsa with another video. Y'all know the vibes. Y'all know the vibes. You see this? You see this on my head? You see this on my head? Okay. Back to the synthetics. It's back to the synthetic wigs. So today you're gonna see, because this was a true slay. This was a true slay. Look at this hair, all right? Look at this hair. If you want to get your wig to look as bomb as this, make sure you keep watching, all right? But before I get into it, y'all know what I'm gonna say. Follow me on all of my social media platforms if you want to get the details on this unit before everyone else. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter at Lexsa Marie. I usually post, you know, before I drop the videos, so you gotta just keep up, you know, keep up with me. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel because you're here already. I mean, what are we doing? Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and you follow me and support me. And yes, I made it to 50K, boo, per. Now we gotta get to 100K. So let your girlfriends know that need this wig that they need to subscribe to my channel as well. All right. Now let's get into this install. Let's get into this install because I just wanna keep doing this to my hair, like. So I keep doing it. But yeah, let's get into this install. All right, so the wig that I'm going to be installing today is another synthetic. It's another synthetic. This is Sensational Shear Muse 100% premium fiber lace front wig. This is from the Empress lace wig collection, and y'all, I am so excited to try this wig just because this is how it looks on the card. Look at that. Look at that right there. And if you guys know, I cut my hair recently. I want to say in September. I've been rocking the short cut. So I definitely love short hair on me. I feel like it compliments me a lot. And I feel like we should be wearing short hair too. So I'm going to review her. Her thing, what's her name? So the name was Amina. I don't know why I kept saying it wrong, y'all, but the name was Amina. So yeah, we had to cut it out. Amina? I don't know how to say her name. I think that's how you say it. And this is the color palette that they have here with all the different colors. And I just got the regular #2 just because I wanted to see how it would look on me. But I probably should have tried the ash blonde now that I'm thinking about it. But let's see how she looks. So I'm just gonna take this off. This literally looks like a grandma wig. I'm not even gonna lie to you. So I'm kind of nervous. I don't know how this is gonna look on me, but off first impressions, it is giving very much grandma. But what I do notice is that they have adjustable straps in the back of the wig, and the nape of the neck will be covered. And there's actually lace in the front. So let's see how this goes on. God. So I will say this wig is yeah, she's gonna need help. She's gonna need help because girl, it's giving very much church, giving very much front row seats. But we're gonna work on her. She has potential. This wig definitely has potential, but I'm gonna need to customize it because it's giving very much Grandma Gloria. It's giving very much Gloria right now. Okay, I'm gonna get some mousse, I'm gonna get some gel, and we gonna lay this down. So right now you see me just prepping the lace with my cream foundation. I love cream foundation, y'all. Like if you cannot tint your lace, if you can't bleach it, just use cream foundation. It'll get the job done, get it to look a little bit more natural. So yeah, I did that and I plucked the unit off camera. You can see I'm plucking it a little bit right here, but I couldn't show me plucking. But honestly, like, I only plucked a little bit because when I put it on, child, grandma, okay? Grandma vibes. But I would say the texture of this hair was pretty nice. I did get this hair from SamsBeauty. So if you're looking to get this unit pretty quickly and, you know, cute packaging, all that stuff, make sure you shop at SamsBeauty. Again, this is the color number 2 and all the details will be in the description box. Next, I did go in with my spray. I did not want to use any glue. I just wanted to use the adhesion or adhesive spray because, I don't know, I just wanted it to look a little bit seamless and I wanted to be able to take this off at night. So I didn't want to, you know, put a whole bunch of glue on my head. And then I put my magic band down and just blow dried my hair. The next thing I did was just put some mousse in my hair, and yes, I know it's synthetic, but you can add mousse just to kind of shape it and get it going in the direction that you like. But I did this a few times and I realized, like, girl, you're just gonna have to put on a scarf. So I put some mousse. I tried to, you know, lay down the front a little bit more, and then I started to customize my edges, which you guys will see in just a moment. So when you are cutting off the lace, you want to make sure it's as close to the hair as possible. You do not want extra lace hanging out, saying hello. Cut off any lace like that right there. Cut it off immediately so it can look as seamless as possible. So once you cut off all the lace, we're going to get into how I do my edges. Now, I didn't want anything too dramatic because, listen, like, I wanted to give body, but I didn't want to give, like, you know, writing my name in with, you know, with my baby hair. So I just pulled out a little bit. I want to say about like 3 pieces on each side, and I just kept them nice and short. I didn't do anything too dramatic because I felt like the hair already had a lot going on. And I used my wig grip gel. I didn't even use the spritz. I felt like the spritz wouldn't have held down the synthetic hair. So I just went in with my wig grip gel and I put that on all of my baby hairs. So one thing that did help with this unit, I must say, was using my flat iron. And don't be like, oh my god, it's a synthetic, it's a synthetic, it's a synthetic. I know it's a synthetic wig, y'all, but you can still use a flat iron on synthetic hair. So what I did, all right, what I did was I just wanted to flatten the side so it was just a little bit more slick back. So I just lightly, I put my flat iron, probably, well, not flat iron, but hot comb. Y'all know what I mean. I put my hot comb on like 10 or 15 because that's the numbers on the comb. And then I just lightly press down so those curls could kind of flatten. But you'll see, you'll see. Now you can start to see it come together. It looks so different than the original look. Like when I'm telling you, I was so nervous I was gonna look like someone's grandmother, y'all. But I used the same cream foundation in my part, and then after this I'm just gonna put on a scarf and let it sit down for a minute. Okay, so I put on a scarf just to kind of lay the hair down a little bit. It went from granny to auntie to baby. Okay, like I definitely am shocked with the results of this wig because y'all saw how it first looked on my head. Now y'all saw how it first looked on my head, but after the customization, I must say that I really do like her. This wig is a lot. So if you aren't experienced with customizing and adding your own flair, it's probably gonna look like how it did in the beginning of this video. I'm not gonna hold you. You saw I put some baby hairs in the, they're actually coming up a little bit. I put some baby hairs with this unit just so I can make it a little bit more youthful, but definitely this is grown woman vibes. Like this is a grown woman wig. This is how the back of the head looks. It covers the nape completely, but I would say that this is low-key a high maintenance wig just because of all of the extra things you have to do to it to get the look that you want. So overall, I would probably say this is like an 8 out of 10 for me. If you are more experienced, you know, like intermediate, I would say definitely get this unit because like this is this is adorable. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know what you think about this unit on my head. I'm actually digging it a lot. So yeah, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and you follow me on all of my social media platforms. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.